The mother, along with her two sons, James and John, approach Jesus. They come to Jesus to request the top positions of power in his kingdom. It was assumed that greatness is defined by exercising power and authority. Jesus uses this occasion to teach the essence of true greatness. Jesus says, "Whoever wants to become great among you must be your servant." Jesus contrasts greatness in the eyes of the world with greatness in the kingdom of God. The world's standard of greatness is certainly not God's standard of greatness. Greatness in the world is having many servants. Greatness in God's sight is to serve. Greatness in the world is determined by status, but in God's kingdom by function. True greatness has to do with character, not position. Greatness in the kingdom is defined not by how many people we rule over, but by how many people we serve under. The least of all, the last of all, and the servant of all is the greatest of all. Jesus the Master set the example for genuine greatness. It must characterize we the disciples too. Lord, help me to weed out my wrong notion of greatness and instill in me an attitude of service.